Hi guys, welcome to Metrics Trading Professionals. I'm Miracle Local for my friends call me Mimi FS. I want to give a review on USDCHF. I would also give a review on Euro USD, maybe any other pair. What I think or the direction I want to trade for this week. Okay, this is USDCHF. This is a supply zone. This supply has held for years. So price didn't get to it anyways. I didn't get to it. But then the market got to an important area before selling last week. Let's look at it. Okay, got to this other block here before selling. So for 3 weeks, you can see the okay, this week 1, week 2, then the 3rd week. So twice the market hit that price, then break through, while on Friday it closed very bearish. This is an engulfing candle. We can also call it an anchor candle. Okay, okay, let me just call this a pin bar. So this was a particular week it did this, then on Friday it did this engulfing. Okay, what do we want to do? Where are we going? Just notice, let me get this pin. Okay, high. So we had a break of market structure, but then look at the candlestick. Got rejected, came back close. The market dropped, took out this low. So we had a break of structure here. Then went back again, still didn't remove this high. Then we have an engulfing candle. So for me, these two information I have here in line with these zones tells me that I shouldn't buy USDCHF this coming week. Okay, go back to the weekly candle. We look at a lot of things. I don't want to consider other things or much things. I'm just looking at a few things. You can see the strong rejection, still a pin bar. You can see it closed below last week, below this particular. So it closed below 2 weeks candle, also showing a bearish rejection. All right. Then look at this price here. You can also notice that we have an engulfing. So that's the high that has still not been broken. This is an engulfing candle. You can see it. And this high is still not broken. We just have, for me, I'm going to call all these stop horns. Okay. So I'm just going to call it stop horns, SH. So what should I do this coming week? At least sell this market to this low, which is how many pips? Which is about 96 pips. All right, let's go to the smaller time frame. Okay, remember we have double top here. So this is our neckline. This is our neckline. So that's why I said we sell to this. This is the target. It's about 100 pips or 90, just let's say 90 pips. Just 90 pips. Okay, let me look at the H1. Okay. For me, if the market just opens, it's a very delicate. The market is still in an important zone. Like we have intraday support levels, so it might. I'm trying to look at where we have to take an entry here to look for a good place to take an entry. I just don't want to teach a strategy here. So I want to give us, normally I don't show the stop loss. I have different ways I do that. So, but I want to give a stop loss. Okay. This level has been broken as this. It was broken and retested. So if we take a trade here and put a stop loss here, it won't be a bad idea. So let me check how many pips that is. See how many pips do we have there? That's about 64 pips to target 90. I don't really like the trade anyways. Don't like it. But that's just the best we can get. If not, I would advise to wait for them. If the market comes there, you pick an entry. With that, you can just do 10 pips SL or 20 pips. Okay, so for me, this is the first entry. Then if the market gets here on Tuesday or December Monday, then this could be another entry. But this the first entry, just 20 pips. Don't take more than 20 pips stop loss on USDCHF. Anywhere you take your entry, either you're doing aggressive entry where the market is now. Max stop loss, maximum SL should be less than or equal to 20 pips. And target is 90 pips. So it's not a bad deal at all. Okay, all these markets are reversal. If you saw the gold that I did initially, and this one, it's reversal. So you don't have to trade it with much risk. Just take a little risk on it, okay? Remember our target is this price. Target. Your target. So if you want to do aggressive entry, then it has to be here. Just as the market opens. Entry. Current price. Then first proposed entry. First entry. Now, I don't mean you should enter twice. If you want to enter twice, it's your business. Like, I could do that anyways. So, but what I mean, if you are on the charts and the market gets to our first entry, what you have to do is to look for a rejection candle or other signals that you are conversant with. Then if it fails, target the second entry. That's the point. So you might just decide to put a sell limit now here or a sell limit here, or aggressive entry when the market opens, and this the target. But whichever you are taking, I said the maximum XL should be 20 pips. The maximum SL should be 20 pips and target is 90 pips. Okay, that's that for USD CHF. Let's see. Again, why did we go for this pair? I explained it. We have double top here. Okay, I already explained everything that happened between this high, and this from the weekly time frame or daily time frame. Which one? From the daily time frame. I also explained it from the weekly time frame. You can see the rejection. Okay, so that's that. Let's look at the Euro USD. Euro USD is going through a correction phase. Let me call it a correction phase. This is an impulse. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. With this impulsive move on Friday also, I can't sell it. I trade with momentum, so I can't advise a sell. Remember that this was as a result of the NFP that was released. Okay, though this candle didn't take out the interest rate, but then you can see how strong that move is. Okay, so I see high probability of this market coming here, which is like 131 pips. Okay, so if I will sell Euro USD, I'll look at selling it here or here, not where the market is. So if you must trade it for this week, I would recommend to buy it. I recommend to buy it. If you notice, this market broke here. It just came to test this. So I just won't sell it tomorrow or when the market opens today. I mean, probably during the week on Wednesday, I still see this momentum. I still see a strong probability, high probability rather, of this momentum to continue and hit this price, at least this price, before this market will start dropping. So between Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday, or mid-Tuesday, yes, they would have gotten to this price. They would have gotten to, what was the price there? They would have gotten to 1.009 or 1.018. So between there, I can find my entry to sell if I must sell the Euro USD. Okay. So for this week, meaning between this Sunday evening and Monday, Tuesday, I expect Euro USD to buy up, to buy to this. Or this. So this is my bias. Always remember to follow your money management rule. always remember, don't trade above what you can afford to lose. Okay, you can lose everything, you can blow your account. All right, so ensure you risk maximum of 3% of your account. Don't expose your account. Remember, whatever we are doing here is basically for education purpose. So we are not trying to give you an advice on where to invest your money or what to trade, but we're just trying to educate you on how to trade. Okay, so this is not in any way trying to give you an advice on investment or whatever. So any decision you take, any trading decision you take at the end of the day is completely your choice. Okay, so if you are not comfortable to trade, if you are not um, willing to lose whatever you've invested in your account or you funded your account with, then you shouldn't bother to trade. You can lose everything. I'm not trying to make you scared, but you just have to understand the fact that you need to build your psychology. Fear is one of the things that keep a lot of persons down. So if you can't lose that money, then there's no point trading with it. Okay. So consider your risk appetite before you take any trade. All right. This is what we have for this week. If you got value, subscribe to our channels, visit our website, mtradingpro.com. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Ask us questions and we will be ready to answer your questions. We'll be ready to serve you in whatever way you want our services. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the day.